Learned image compression delivers incredible rate distortion performance, but it crumbles under packet loss. In real-world scenarios like satellite links or emergency networks, a few dropped packets can ruin the entire reconstruction. The root causes are clear. Existing methods concentrate critical information in specific packets, and autoregressive entropy coding creates long dependency chains where a single loss triggers cascading decoding failures. This paper introduces a loss-resilient framework that addresses both issues at the packetization and entropy coding stages. At the packetization stage, they propose interchannel redistribution. This module uses channel-wise attention and adaptive fusion to redistribute latent energy, preventing high-energy channels from hoarding critical information. Following ICR, Interleaved Channel Grouping partitions the latent channels using a strided approach. This ensures every packet carries comparable importance and adheres to size constraints, like 900 byte bursts. Because information is evenly dispersed, the loss of any single packet causes minimal quality fluctuation. For the entropy coding stage, they design a two-layer dual-branch autoregressive structure. This shortens the dependency chain to just 2 levels. The second layer is conditioned on the first, but is trained to carry low criticality information. This bounds the error propagation. If a packet in the first layer is lost, the degradation is limited because the second layer holds less vital data, and the dual-branch design prevents cross-branch contamination. Training employs a structured masking strategy. Packet loss is simulated at the feature level, and masks propagate to dependent entries in the second layer, teaching the model to handle degraded autoregressive estimation. Experiments on Kodak and CLIC datasets show massive gains. At 20% packet loss, the method achieves a 1.84 dB PSNR improvement over loss-resilient LIC, with variance reduced by an order of magnitude, proving exceptional stability. Notably, despite being trained only on uniform random loss, the model generalizes to bursty loss patterns via the Gilbert-Elliott channel, outperforming methods explicitly trained for bursty conditions. Ablations confirm that spatial partitioning fails, deeper autoregression hurts robustness, and the ICR-ICG combination is essential. By assuming the hyperprior bitstream, which is under 8% of the total bitrate, can be protected with minimal FEC overhead, this approach offers a practical path for reliable neural compression in unstable networks.